Welcome back to Vacation Vibes for you. Today, we're going to help you breeze through the airport like a pro, making your travel experience smoother for you and other passengers. Whether you're parking the car or arriving by bus or taxi, these tips will have you sailing from check-in to takeoff with ease. Oh, before we continue, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and vacation destinations. First up, if you're driving, park in the long-term parking lot if you'll be away for a while, or short-term if you're only traveling for a couple of nights. If you're being dropped off by somebody, look out for a car park offering 10 or 15 minutes free drop-off parking. It is usually one of the car parks further away from the airport terminal, but they offer a free shuttle bus to the departure gates. Look for signage that leads to the terminal shuttle, or head straight to the departure drop-off area if you're taking a taxi, rideshare or bus, which will drop you off almost at the terminal doors. Once you arrive, take your luggage and head towards the terminal. It's always a good idea to arrive early, at least 2 to 3 hours before your flight, to make your journey less stressful. This way, you have extra time to deal with any delays caused by the airport, like unexpected long security lines or traffic jams getting to the terminal. Next, it's time to check in. If you haven't already checked in online, most airports now have self-service kiosks, where you can quickly print your boarding pass and luggage tickets simply by scanning your passport and entering your flight number into the machine corresponding with the airline you are travelling with. If you're checking bags, head to the baggage drop counter. Be sure your luggage meets with the airline's weight limits policy to avoid any last-minute surprises. Now it's off to security. Pro tip: check for dedicated lanes, as some airports have separate lanes for families, priority passengers or those travelling with children. It can make your process faster and a lot less stressful. When you get to security, make sure you're prepared. Have your boarding pass and ID ready. Remove laptops, liquids and electronics from your bag and place them in the trays provided. If you're wearing shoes, belts or jackets, those will need to come off too. I remove my belt, watch, wallet and phone whilst queuing for security and place them in my hand luggage or coat pockets, so I arrive at the security checkpoint ready to pass straight through the scanners. Now that you're through security, you can relax a little. Grab a coffee or bite to eat, do some shopping or find your gate, so you know how long it will take to get there once it has opened. If you decide to sit away from your departure gate, just make sure you keep an eye on the departure screens for any updates on your flight, as many airports no longer announce when the flight gates have opened throughout the airport and only announce information at the actual departure gate. When it's time to board, airlines usually board passengers in groups, so be ready when your group is called. Try to board early if you need overhead storage space for your bags, as this is limited space. So if you board late, you may not be able to stow your bag next to your allocated seat. Finally, you're on your way. Have your boarding pass ready one last time as you walk down the jet bridge and board the plane. Be considerate of other passengers while stowing your bags and getting to your seat quickly. So there you have it. You have made it stress-free through the airport like a seasoned traveller. Remember, arriving early and being prepared can save you a lot of stress and help everything run smoothly for everyone. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest vacation tips and the best travel guides. Safe travels, and we'll see you at the next destination with Vacation Vibes for you.